No, I'm not going to send them back on camera. Stats over 1, 2, or 3. Give me a shot. I can get stats over. Yeah, that works. 3. Actually, I'd rather use that going to break. Camera 2, like, give me a back logo, and that works too. I'll use that.
Going on in the show.
So we'll do a package back end out to camera 2 with font 1, and then camera 3, just keep it nice and wide going to break.
A lot of sports is on the fly.
Well, camera 3 with font 2 going to break.
Things are going, which is nice. We've got a lot of promo work in this. A lot of elements are sold. So right now, we're in this segment right here. And after we come out of the highlights, we're going to go to the first half stats. There we're going to go into break. And then we're going to come back. Everything that's highlighted is stuff that's going to be coming from me. So we'll have sponsor card here. Mine just says Mac, and they read the Pepsi sponsorship for the Mac broadcast. And then we've got an update to our keys game from the beginning of the show. So our announcer came up with a couple of points that each team needs to work on during the game. We'll show what the points were, and then I'll transition to show how the stats show whether or not they've actually been doing what they should. And then these are 2 key players that we set out to look at the beginning of the game, and I've got their stats through the first half. One of the guys is actually doing really well, the other one's not doing anything.
Is it normally their best players that you like?
Usually, yeah.
And then
come up,
you just basically...
Jen, I need the Mac logo coming back. This is going to be all you on font 1 and font 2.
Okay.
I need Mac logo coming back. After the Mac logo, I'm going to need one-on-one update. We'll do keys to the game first, then we'll do the one-on-one update.
Okay.
So keep what you have on font 1 and font 2. Then after that, I'm going to need the one-on-one update.
Okay.
Okay, guys, coming back. We're going to do, you got Pepsi Max sponsor card number 11. Then we're going to do keys to the game, and we'll update those. And then after the keys to the game, we'll do the one-on-one, and we'll update the one-on-one. And then you're in the first half.
I've got your original keys on the back. I'll have the stats to back up on the front.
3, I will not need that shot coming back. We'll come back. Camera 1 with font 1. Okay, camera 2, give me the Manhattan bench.
Some people call them front and back.
And then we'll go camera 2 with font 2.
Interchangeably in a lot of settings. During the game, I'll lose that because on this program, I'm actually running the score bug off one of my
camera
sides.
3 and 4, these are the players I need. Camera 3, I need 14 white. Camera 4, I need 24 green.
So you get a lot more in when you have both sides.
14 white and 24 green.
They need to stop. Oh, there they go. Back to break 9.
Back to break 9, Sue.
What's your job?
Alright, don't film me. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
So what I do mostly is I work with our packs, our TV packs.
Michael,
but I
camera
also
1, I need that basket.
in charge of all sponsorships
6,
to film it.
5,
so Jen's putting in the
4,
graphics, and then
3,
I log them and make
2,
sure that everything runs
1,
all right.
and
I'm also working with Dave about our commercial stuff. And that was like, that was a crazy time to do this because we have a lot of commercial breaks during halftime.
Oh yeah.
So like now it'll be a lot easier to talk to you because we'll have
Stand by cross.
a little more time.
And cross.
This is what everyone else is seeing. So you'll notice that there's a little bit of a delay, and that's because like if, you know, the Janet Jackson slip and everything, if you want to like go to black in case that happens, you have that flexibility, or if you swear or something like that. ESPN gets fined every time that there's a swear word on TV, so they obviously don't want that.
We're ready to go, man, anytime. Take 4 under.
Is this the most difficult part of the day?
2, give me 14 white.
For you?
Actually, no. I find the truck much easier than dealing with all the setup and everything. But, it can get stressful. Like this is a really small crew. Most of the time we have 3 people in the front, 2 people here, and then 2 people here, and then depending on like the crew, there might be even more. So it's
yeah, we try and build as much as
It all depends on who's working, but it's pretty mellow this today.
Where are the commentators?
Commentators are out on the floor.
They are.
Yeah. So they like watch everything, but they also have monitors too. That each one of these what they call a page. So you'll see. You can actually see them. They're on like camera side, so you're not going to really see them very well. But they're on that press row right at half court.
Yeah, 20 seconds for a
So
roll
like
out.
they'd be right there, like closest to us.
Right.
In the first half, that high-low action.
Whitney,
Yes.
time out your close card for me. Does it go longer than 20?
My clothes?
Yeah, just read it out loud and just time it.
Alright.
I gotta stop watching.
I don't have a machine. I read it up. Runs just the bug.
Mason leads Niagara with 11 points.
Nickname the bug.
He sets the offense at 11.
I'll have Sue read it.
That's fine.
Kanye Green off the hesitation.
Foul.
Stand
by.
How do you get one?
We're sitting in a break zone.
Stand by.
Remember that.
17.
Stand by 1, take 1.
Got just 3.
Can you give me green 10 white font? Stand by 3, take 3. Let's go in the line.
Hey June, could you do me a favor?
Stand by
Would you
1,
mind,
take 1.
when I say start, reading that closed card so I can just time it out real quick?
3 on you and tight again.
And
Stand by to take 3 with font 1.
that's good?
Take 3 with font
That
1.
would be awesome. I've got a staff
Stay by, take
inside.
one.
Thank you.
Take 1.
Kept Donovan wound up getting a real gem. Second in the country among all freshmen in points per game.
This break is going to be money for a minute and a half.
Okay, this break is money. This break is also the graffiti banner. Stand by 2, take 2. Stand by 3, take 3. Stand by 1, take 1.
How's all of this powered? How's all of this powered? Is it the generators that are outside?
Hold
I'm
on.
going to need a 30-second rollout, Carrie.
June, can you say that again?
Sophomore averaging 11.
All those guys for 2 to 3 more years.
Sorry. Thank you so much.
Stand by 2, take 2. Thank you, Jonathan.
Okay.
You got it on blue?
I think we'll be all right
Stand by
with that.
effect blue.
Thank you.
And effect blue. And here it is. Check it out. Stand by effect off camera 1.
By the shot clock here.
And effect 1.
They plug
Yeah, I agree.
some of it is through the facility, and so they'll have PMT, like the RUF, that is sent around to, like beforehand, I think Captain sent it to guys, right? It'll have all the information on there as to what
Stand by 2, take 2.
It's
Let's
not
see
enough,
that. I want to see where
there's
the
2
foul came on
generators
red.
out there that's also helping the power.
Right there. Stand by
So
effect red. Effect
everything
red.
else fails. You get the 2 generators. Great.
And we have had
Stand by effect down camera 1.
I believe it. I mean, with the weather today too.
Like started to brace himself.
Did that delay you guys at all?
Stand by 2, take 2.
Don't use it yet.
No problem. Stand by to take 3 clean. And take 3 clean. You tell me when it's ready. Stand by font 1. Font 1 in.
Shots late.
Stand by to lose it.
He beat the San Francisco State.
Take 1, take 1, take 1.
Well, he's so focused because he's really
Sorry,
doing
sorry.
everything. So whenever he has a command, he's the one who's doing it. So all those buttons in front, like I'm sure he probably uses maybe a fair with them. But they're all the effects, the replays, the which camera to use, the tape, everything.
Alvarado.
Stand by 2, take 2. Stand by 1. Take 1.
New York Manhattan player out of New
All
York
these old
City,
TVs.
Alvarado stroking it well.
Yeah, they're like little TVs that they just put together, but they can put anything that they want on as long as it's hooked up right. So he's got over here, he's got the different cameras, but then he's got, so what happens, the out and the in, they're always recording, but they can rewind, like you see, red out.
Stand by 2, take 2. Stand by 1, take 1.
But they're always ingesting, so they can always, like even if they miss something, they can still rewind that.
Even lost it out of bounds, but
Stand by 2, take 2. Stand by 3, take 3. Stand by 1.
One thing you gotta love about both these ball clubs, it does not matter whether they're in man or zone. Very
First
active.
time round, it was